I am here at the 2025 DC Auto Show at the Ford booth, and right behind me is the all-new 2025 Ford Expedition. And this is the base model Active, but really, when you get inside of it, it does not feel anything like a base model. Let's get into it. Welcome back to the channel. So let's talk design language. I really like the way that the new Expedition looks. I think it's clean, I think it's modern, I think it's not trying to do too much, but I also really love the way that this new front grille kind of looks, especially in this rectangular hexagonal shape that is also kind of, if we zoom in on it, is kind of like folded up here. It's a really interesting take on this grille. I also really love the lighting signature. It's really nice. Even from the side profile, it still has a very Expedition look to it. Probably one of the biggest news for the newest Expedition is going to be this dual folding tailgate that has this flat surface right here, and then of course it's got some space here in the back. But what I really like about it is that when you go ahead and automatically close it, it will automatically close both of the gates. Interesting. This is an absolute departure from what we had in the previous generation. Now, you can tell that there's a lot of design cues from some of their other stuff like the Expedition. You can kind of see right here, but the newest thing for the Ford Expedition is going to be this 24-inch dashboard display. First of all, the button layout has just been absolutely redistributed. And the coolest thing I think in this new generation has got to be this automatic sliding center console that can add more space, and there is a center lockbox. How interesting is that? How fabulous is that? Now, you can also see that they moved the Pro Trailer Assist button from here down to here, as well as all of the USB-C and charging pad ports are gonna be down here as well. You know what? I actually kind of like these screen combinations. This is much more utilitarian in the sense that you're going to be able to kind of go through and put stuff up on the map. So I don't know, let's go to Chipotle, my favorite restaurant. Okay, so then we're going to start navigation. And then of course navigation is going to appear up here on the top screen, which gives you a much better view of where you're going. That is such an interesting take on that. And I think it's a lot more intuitive, because then if you take away the map from this screen and maybe just focus on the news or the weather or whatever you're doing, you still have the map up here. Also new for 25 is going to be this flat bottom and top steering wheel with this kind of touch haptic motion sensed button feedback that you can see is up in the top end. That's a really interesting take on their buttons. Okay, so you can adjust the steering wheel through the steering wheel, finding that out right now. Okay, pushing it out, pushing it in. That's really interesting. Okay, so then we've got the cruise control and we've got the Blue Cruise camera system right here. But then of course you've got the controls for it right here. For the engine, you get two variations of the same twin turbocharged 3.5 liter V6. The lower output engine produces 400 horsepower, while the higher output engine produces 440 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque, which is then all tied together by 10-speed automatic transmission. This is going to be a really exciting Ford Expedition, and I can't wait to see this hit the streets. Anyways, that's all I've got for today's video. Please do me the biggest favor ever and like this video, comment something down below, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video, which is whenever I can. Thank you all for your support, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Hey Sparks, thanks for watching today's video. Do you want more Sparkplug TV content? Then you can choose one of these three options right over here. The middle button is to subscribe to my channel, so please do that. Right over here. These three. I can't see them in real life, but they're right here.